Today we're diving into the world of Android customization with a focus on dark icon packs. If you're looking to give your device a sleek and modern look, we'll explore 3 of the best dark icon packs available: Kraken Dark, Asphalt Dark, and One UI Dark. Let's get started. Kraken Dark Icon Pack. Kraken Dark Icon Pack offers a unique and modern design that enhances the aesthetic of your Android device with its striking dark theme. It includes thousands of meticulously crafted icons that provide a fresh look to your home screen. The attention to detail ensures that each icon is visually appealing and distinct. This pack supports a variety of launchers, making it versatile for different user preferences. Additionally, regular updates keep the icon collection fresh, and the user-friendly dashboard makes it easy to navigate and find the icons you want. Asphalt Dark Icon Pack. Asphalt Dark Icon Pack is designed for those who appreciate a sleek, urban vibe that resonates with modern aesthetics. Featuring a rich color palette and a predominantly dark theme, this pack transforms your device into a contemporary masterpiece. It includes a wide range of icons that are compatible with many popular launchers, allowing for easy integration and customization. The icons are designed to stand out while maintaining a cohesive look, making your home screen not only functional, but also visually striking. With its stylish appearance, Asphalt Dark is ideal for users wanting to make a bold statement with their device's interface. One UI Dark Icon Pack. One UI Dark Icon Pack draws inspiration from the design language of Samsung's One UI, providing a familiar yet distinct aesthetic. The icons are specifically optimized for a dark theme, resulting in a seamless experience for users of Samsung devices or anyone who enjoys the One UI look. Each icon is stylish and modern, ensuring that your device looks polished and sophisticated. The pack also includes various customization options, allowing users to tailor their experience according to personal preferences. It works well with different launchers, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the Kraken Dark, Asphalt Dark, and One UI Dark icon packs has inspired you to enhance your Android experience. See you in the next video.